Professions: Doctor. Miss Anam is a doctor. She works at a hospital. She treats patients. She helps needy and poor people.
Engineer. Ali is a software engineer. He works in an office. He is very punctual and goes to his office every day. He is an intelligent and hard-working engineer.
Teacher. Miss Halima is very kind and sweet school teacher. She teaches English in a school. She is a good teacher. Her students like her very much.
Lawyer. Mr. Sharyar is a lawyer. He works at the court. He helps people get justice. He wears black coat and tie to work.